named Destin, and today we're gonna feed the birds. And this was me feeding the birds.